In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to paint RIPTILE Nocturnal Camouflage. First step is prep. We recommend full disassembly, degreasing, abrasive blasting, and parkerizing as applicable. Our base coat is the light gray seen in the pattern. The first round of stenciling will be the mesh. The mesh is found on sheet 1 of our stencil pack, which is available on our website freedomstencils.com or the link in the description below. Start by weeding one piece of the mesh and placing it on a tech mat or similar type surface to help dumb down the tackiness. Next, place it on your desired surface and spray gradients of black through the mesh. When satisfied, remove the stencil and place in an adjoining location and repeat the process. Continue doing this to stitch together the pattern. One piece of mesh is typically suitable to do a complete rifle. When the second color is clear, it's time to start applying the rip-shaped stencils. This is a linear pattern, so try to keep all the rips facing in the same direction. The next color will be dark gray. To avoid edge buildup, try to focus the spray in between the stencil areas. We now outline all the stencils with a nice gradient of black. Lastly, we remove the stencils and prepare to reassemble. And that completes RIPTILE Nocturnal Camouflage. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comments below. If you would like to support this channel, visit freedomstencils.com. That link is also in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.